Hi, welcome to your DIY Hands Paint and Plaster Club onboarding tutorial. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the app so you know exactly where everything is, how to access your courses, how to join coaching calls, and how to connect with the DIY community. Let's get started. Top navigation tabs. Across the top of your screen, you'll see a few important tabs. Discussion. This is where our main community conversations happen. Learning. This is where all of your courses, lessons, and video trainings will live. Events. This is your events calendar with all upcoming classes and coaching calls. Members. This shows everyone who's inside the club with you. About general information about the community. These tabs will help you navigate quickly, no matter where you are inside the app. Featured posts. Next, you'll see the Featured Posts section. Here you will find your welcome post, the Introduce Yourself post, a reminder to download the app, and the coaching call post. Let me open the coaching call post so you can see it. Inside this post, you'll find the only link you'll use to access our live coaching calls. This is the place where all call links will always be posted, so make sure you check this before every call. Left side channels. Now I'm moving over to the left side of the app where you'll see a list of channels. You don't have to use all of them, but they help keep our topics organized. Let me click on Announcements. This is where most of the important communication happens. Updates, reminders, new lessons, and anything I need you to know. If you ever want to share something, ask a question, or start a new post, just click what's on your mind. You can write a post, upload images, upload videos, or even go live right inside the community. Learning tab courses. Now, let's go to the Learning tab at the top. This is where all of your courses and classes will be stored. Any DIY, hands training, plaster lessons, painting videos, or bonus classes you have access to will appear right here. Just click the course you want to start, and everything opens up for you. Events tab. Next, let's click on the Events tab. Here, you'll see every upcoming event, live classes, coaching calls, challenges, and special sessions. You can click on any event to open it. You can add it to your personal calendar. You'll also see which events are free or paid. And you can register for any event right inside this tab. You'll also see upcoming events listed on the left side under Upcoming Events. Members tab. Now let's go to the Members tab. Here, you'll see everyone who has joined the DIY Hands, Paint and Plaster Club from all over the country. You can click on any member to view their profile, learn more about them, and even send them a DM directly. This is a community, so feel free to connect, collaborate, and get inspired. Social Media Pod Channel. Now I'm heading back to the channels list on the left and clicking on the Social Media Pod channel. This is where you can drop your Instagram links, TikTok links, YouTube videos, Facebook posts, or anything you want support on. Other members will click your link, like it, comment, and help boost your engagement. Don't forget to support other members too. Chat plus notifications. Next, at the top of your screen, you'll see the chat icon. This is where you can message me directly with questions or chat privately with other members. Beside that, you'll see the notifications icon. Here you can read your comments, see mentions, see replies, view all activity related to your posts. Click into any notification to respond. You can switch to unread only or mark all as read. Back to Events, adding to Calendar. I also want to show you again inside the Events tab that when you click on any event, you'll see an option to add to calendar. Account Settings. Now, click on your profile icon in the top corner. Inside your account settings, you'll find your profile, your account info, billing, and subscriptions. Social media links, notification settings. This is where you manage everything related to your membership. Make sure everything is updated and correct. And that's it. You now know exactly how to navigate the DIY Hands Paint and Plaster Club app. From the community posts to coaching calls, your courses, events, and your account. I'm so excited you're here, and I can't wait to see what you create. Welcome again to the DIY Hands Paint and Plaster Club. Let's make something beautiful.